Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to the chemistry class. In this class we will discuss about the chapter alcohol, phenol and ethers. Okay, so what are the alcohols? The general formula ROH means the OH group is known as the alcoholic functional group. When this OH group will attach to the carbon chain, then they will known as the alcohols. Okay, for example CH3OH, it is known as methyl alcohol. Okay, so classification of alcohols. So first one is aliphatic alcohols, means when OH group will present with alkyl group. For example, simple hydrocarbon chain. For example, CH3OH methyl alcohol, CH3CH2 CH2OH known as propyl alcohol, 3 carbon compound. Okay, and next one is butanol 2 or secondary butyl alcohol. Okay, next one is monohydric alcohol, means it will talk about the classification on the basis of OH group present in the hydrocarbon. The first one is monohydric alcohols, means when there is one OH group will present with hydrocarbon chain, then they will known as the monohydric alcohol. For example, ethanol, propanol, propanol 2. In all these compounds there is only one OH group will present, so they are known as monohydric alcohols. Second one is, now in monohydric alcohols there are three conditions are known as primary, secondary and tertiary. So as we know that in primary condition there is one alkyl group and two hydrogen will present with OH group, then it is known as the primary condition. In secondary condition there will be two alkyl group and one hydrogen with functional group OH, then it is known as the secondary alcohol. In tertiary alcohol there is a three alkyl group and there is no hydrogen atom. Okay, then they are known as the tertiary alcohol. Now come to the dihydric alcohols, means those type of alcohols in which there are two OH group will be present. CH2H, CH2H known as the ethane 1,2-diol, simply known as ethylene glycol. It is also a compound which has two OH group, is known as the dihydric alcohols. CH3CHOH, CH2OH, propane 1,2-diol, propylene glycol it is known as. Trihydric alcohol means there is three OH group will be present, CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. This is known as the glycerol. Butane 1,2-triol, in this also there is a three OH group, is a type of alcohol in which there are three hydroxyl group will be present. Now allylic alcohols means when there is a double bond present with carbon atom which is attached, which contains OH group next to that carbon atom. Okay, simply you can say in this type of compound the OH group present the carbon atom to next carbon. If there is a double bond present, then this is known as the allylic condition. Okay, and in vinylic condition the double bond present with that carbon atom which contains the functional group OH. Okay, in benzylic there will be OH group present carbon at the carbon which contain OH group, and the same carbon which has also a phenyl ring or benzene ring, then they are known as the benzylic alcohol. Okay, so these all are known as benzylic alcohol. Next one is classification of alcohols. So in benzene condition, like that alkyl benzenes, in aromatic benzenes there are also, so one OH group means phenol. So these all are compounds, aromatic compounds in which there are only one OH group present. It is known as phenol, it is known as orthocresol, it is known as paracresol. Simply common name, but in IPAC name it is known as 2-methylphenol, it is known as 4-methylphenol. Dihydric phenols means when there are two OH group will present on benzene ring, then they are known as aromatic dihydric phenols. So it is known as when they are present to adjacent carbon atom, OH group present at adjacent carbon atom, then it is known as catechol. Meta position resorcinol, para position quinol. So these all are compounds which are dihydric aromatic alcohols. Okay, trihydric phenols, so in which there are three OH group will be present. It is known as pyrogalol, it is known as hydroxyquinol, and it is known as glucinol. Okay, so these are the compound which contains more than one OH group. Now come to the nomenclature of alcohols. nomenclature of the alcohols. So common tribal system CH3OH, CH3CH2CH2OH, and CH3CH3OH. So you can see in IUPAC name it is known as methyl alcohol, simply common name, and propyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. So it is known as methanol, it is known as propanol, and it will known as 2 propanol 2. Okay, and it is known as the tertiary butyl alcohol. So in case of methyl alcohol CH3, CH2 and OH. So nomenclature will be, there will be 2 carbons, so eth single bond, so an for suffix, for OH the suffix all will be added, so it is known as the ethanol. So it is the basic principle to nomenclate the compounds of alcohols. So you can see there is a list is given in which CH3OH common name methyl alcohol, methanol, CH3CH2OH ethyl alcohol, ethanol, CH3CH2CH2OH, and propyl alcohol, propanol 1, CH3CH3OH isopropyl alcohol, but in IUPAC name it will known as the propane 2-all because there are OH group will present at 2 position number carbon. CH3CH2CH2OH known as butanol 1. So you can write the IUPAC name of the alcohols in this way. Okay, now come to the isomerism. So like haloalkenes, haloarenes, alcohols also show chain isomerism. In chain isomerism, 2 compound which has same molecular formula but different structure are known as chain isomer. Butane 1-all and butane 2-methyl propanol 2. They are chain isomer with each other. Isomerism, so they are shows position isomerism. So in this type of isomerism, same molecular formula but the position of functional group will be different in 2 compounds. Number 1 CH3CH2CH2OH propanol 1, and this is propanol 2 CH3CH2. So these are position isomer with each other because the position of OH group is different in these 2 compounds. Okay, and functional group isomerism, so alcohols show functional group isomerism. In functional group isomerism they have same molecular formula but different functional group. You can see ethanol and ether, methoxymethane. In these 2 compounds the molecular formula is same but their functional groups are different. It contains OH functional group, means alcoholic functional group, and it contains ether functional group. So they are functional isomer with each other. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.